If you've ever tried to start a print-on-demand t-shirt business and thought, why does this feel way harder than it should? Same. I went down the wrong path, wasted months researching different platforms, and honestly got overwhelmed fast with all the technical setup and shipping logistics. So today, I'm breaking this down into 4 simple steps that will help you launch your global t-shirt business without the stress, confusion, or tech headaches. Here's the thing, most people think you need to invest thousands in inventory upfront or deal with complicated shipping to different countries. But Gelato changes everything by handling production and shipping automatically in over 32 countries. So you literally just focus on creating designs and marketing. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up your account, connect it to major marketplaces, design your first t-shirt, and publish it globally. Plus, I'll share the link in the description to get you started. Step 1, create an account and log in to Gelato. Now here comes my absolute favorite part. Getting started is literally so much easier than I expected. When I first signed up for Gelato, the whole process took me maybe 2 minutes. I literally went from, I have no idea what I'm doing, to, wait, I'm actually doing this. Here's exactly what you do. First, we start by heading over to gelato.com and clicking that big sign up button on the top right. Then we continue by choosing our favorite sign up method. I always go with Google because it's super quick. Moving forward, we just fill in some basic info, and boom, you're in. Once we are logged in, we are directed to the simple dashboard. Don't get overwhelmed. Following this, we just focus on the main menu. The interface is honestly so user-friendly that even my mom could figure it out. Here's what most people don't know. Gelato automatically sets you up for global selling from day one. You don't need to worry about international shipping rates or customs forms. They handle all of that behind the scenes. But wait until you see how easy it is to connect this to actual selling platforms. Step 2, connect Gelato account to marketplace accounts. Now here comes my game changer moment, connecting to marketplaces where people are already shopping. When I connected my Gelato account to Etsy and Shopify, the integration was so smooth that I literally thought something was broken because it worked too well. I went from having separate platforms to having everything synced in under 10 minutes. Here's your step-by-step. In your Gelato dashboard, click Stores in the left sidebar. Then you'll see options for Etsy, Shopify, Amazon, WooCommerce, and more. I recommend starting with Etsy because it's beginner-friendly and has built-in traffic. After that, click on Connect, and it'll walk you through the authorization process, then confirm to grant access. Don't worry about security. Gelato is literally a safe and secure platform. If you don't have one, pause this video and create it real quick. Once connected, Gelato can automatically sync your products, handle orders, and even update inventory. The coolest part? When someone buys your t-shirt in New York, Gelato prints it at their facility in New Jersey. When someone in Germany orders, it prints in their European facility. Gelato supports fast worldwide shipping, and you can literally become a global business overnight. Here's what most people don't know. You can connect multiple sales channels to one Gelato account. So you could be selling on Etsy, your own Shopify store, and Amazon all at the same time. Trust me, once you see how the design process works, you'll be totally obsessed. Step 3, choose a t-shirt product and design it. Now here comes my most creative part. This is where your business personality really shines. When I first opened Gelato's design studio, I spent like an hour just playing around because there are so many options. I literally felt like a kid in a candy store. Premium t-shirts, different colors, various fits, and the quality is honestly amazing. Here's exactly how to do this. We can go to product catalog and you'll see the categories here. Pick women's or men's clothing. After that, click on the t-shirt. You'll see options like Bella, Plus Canvas, Gildan, and other quality brands. You can review each product's details by clicking on the product and scrolling down. Pick one product that is trending. I always go with Bella Plus Canvas because the fit is super flattering and the fabric feels expensive. Once the product is selected, we hit the Add to Store and then click on which platform you want it to be published on if you connected several accounts at the same time. Moving into the design phase, we can choose our base color. Black and white are always safe bets, but don't be afraid to try trendy colors. You can upload your own artwork or use Gelato's design tools to design from scratch. To upload your design to Gelato, click on the Files menu. Then you can upload your design and adjust the position on the product. Don't worry if you don't have a design yet. Gelato's design tools are honestly so intuitive. We can add text by clicking on the text menu and hitting Add Text. After you write down your text, move to the 3 dots icon. Here, you can resize, change colors or fonts, everything you need. Now, let's check out the Layouts tool. This helps us to organize our elements effortlessly, so everything looks clean and perfectly aligned without the extra work. Click on the menu and choose one layout for you. Then, you can directly add elements to it by clicking on the Graphics menu, typing the element we're looking for, and adding it to our product. You can also hit the Shutterstock button and directly search for the photo you want to add to your design. Here's what most people don't know. You can create variations of the same design across different t-shirt styles and colors without starting over. Gelato saves your design and lets you apply it to multiple products instantly. But the real magic happens when you see how professional your mockups look. Step 4. Select mockups, add product details, set prices, and publish. Now here comes my most satisfying part, watching your idea transform into a real product that people can actually buy. When I first saw my design on Gelato's mockups, I literally screenshot it and sent it to everyone because it looked so professional. The mockups are honestly better than what some big brands use, super high quality, realistic lighting, and multiple angles. Here's your step-by-step. After your design is ready, scroll down to see automatic mockups. Gelato generates front, back, and lifestyle shots instantly. You can choose which ones to use. I always pick at least 3 different angles because customers want to see everything. If you're not satisfied with the mockups, you can upload your own or create new mockups by clicking on Magic Mockups and writing your prompt. Here's my secret prompt formula: subject plus pose plus location and setting plus product details plus lighting. So, for example, you can write a trendy young man sitting in a minimalist aesthetic cafe, wearing a plain white t-shirt, reading a book, soft natural morning light streaming through the window, 8K resolution, cinematic photography, high detail fabric texture. Then you can hit Generate Mockups. Then we can continue to choose the generated mockups and click Continue to Details. Next, add your product details. Write a compelling title like Funny Cat Lover T-shirt, perfect gift for pet parents. Your description should be friendly but informative. Mention the fabric quality, fit, and care instructions. Add relevant tags like cat shirt, pet lover, funny tea, and then click on Collection to add the product to one of your store's collections and check the product visibility. After that, click on Continue to Prices. Now for pricing, this is super important. Check what similar designs sell for on your chosen platform. I usually aim for 2 to 3 times my cost. So if Gelato charges rate to produce and ship, I'll price it at $50 to $100. Click on Set Margin To and you can change to other options. For example, you can set the profit or set the retail price. Then you can type the amount you want. After that, you can hit Continue to Review. Now you'll see a table of details from product name, size, retail price to delivery region. Make sure you read all the information here and direct Publish to your store. Here's what most people don't know. You can save this as a template and use it for future designs. Same pricing structure, same product details. Just swap out the design and you're ready to go. Okay, can we talk about how incredible this whole setup is? I'm literally still amazed that you can start a global t-shirt business from your couch in under an hour. The traditional way of doing print on demand used to be such a headache. You'd have to find suppliers, negotiate minimum orders, worry about quality control, and figure out international shipping. It was honestly overwhelming for beginners. But Gelato handles literally everything. They have production facilities in 32 countries, so your customers get fast shipping no matter where they are. The quality is consistently amazing because they work with premium suppliers. And the best part, you only pay when someone actually buys your product. What I love most is how this scales. You could create one design today and be selling it in Australia, Germany, and Canada by tomorrow. That's the power of global print on demand. And honestly, it still blows my mind. Let's talk about real numbers for a second. If you hired a designer, manufacturer, and fulfillment company separately, you're looking at thousands of dollars upfront. If you tried to learn traditional e-commerce with inventory, you need months of research plus storage space. With Gelato, you're literally up and running for less than the cost of a nice dinner out. Now, I know what you're thinking, but what if my designs don't sell? Here's the thing, you're not risking inventory. What if the quality is bad? Gelato has a satisfaction guarantee and works with premium suppliers. So here's what I want you to do right now, and I mean literally right now while you're motivated. Click the link in my description to sign up for Gelato. It takes 3 minutes, and you could have your first product live by the end of today. The link is right there in the description. No special code needed. Remember, every successful business started with someone taking that first step. Today could literally be the day you look back on as when everything changed. Thanks for watching this video. Have an amazing day building your empire, and I'll see you in the next one.